United States President Donald Trump said while initiating a new aircraft carrier on July 22 that it sends a 100,000-ton message to the world about the strength of America's military. Trump said during the handover of the United States Navy's new state-of-the-art aircraft carrier, named after President Gerald Ford, that United States allies can relax but that America's enemies will shake with fear when they see the new vessel. Trump said the warship, which cost $12.9 billion and took 8 years to build, is an incredible work of art. The president's participation in the ceremony for the United States ship Ford in Norfolk, Virginia, capped a Made in America week at the White House designed to promote products made in the United States. American steel and American hands have constructed this 100,000-ton message to the world, Trump said. American might is second to none, and we're getting bigger and better and stronger every day of my administration. But the carrier was supposed to be finished 2 years ago and cost more than $2 billion more than originally budgeted. The Navy blamed the extra costs on the ship's advanced systems and technology, including electromagnetic launch systems for jets and drones that will replace steam catapults. The nuclear-powered warship will carry some 2,600 sailors and is expected to have a lifespan of some 50 years. Thank you.
What's going to happen, and have good trials.
I mean, it's overwhelming. I mean, you come out here, you help the Navy with a brand new ship, a different class, and something new, the first one. I got to work on it. I mean, that's like your child. It's born, now it's here. You want to make sure, you want to see it off and make sure it's right.
I guess the fact that I've never even been on a cruise before, just to see something this massive just move through the ocean was just an amazing sight.
Yeah, there's a lot of hands, a lot of crafts going into this machine, and just be thankful when you see it going by. Thank anybody that had any involvement with it. Sea trials are important for us since I've been on the boat since 2009 to see every little piece that we installed then lead up to what their final mission is.